Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Dogelon Mars has recently broken out a broadening rising wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, this is the daily time frame chart, then this was the broadening rising wedge pattern that the price line has broken out. You can see that here we had this uptrend line support and this uptrend line resistance. And whenever it was getting bounced on the support, it was forming higher highs and higher lows as well. And now recently after the breakout, we had a very nice pump. And after the breakout, the price then also broke out this very long-term uptrend line support as well. And you can see that after the breakout, the price then retested this uptrend line support and geared up. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line support has been previously working as a very, very long-term support. Like here for several months, the price then has been testing the support here and back from the month of June 2021 up to the month of September 2021, it has been working as a very nice support. Then we had a very, very nice pump. And therefore, again, it can work as a strong support. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this breakout from this down channel and from this big falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And by the way, if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for SXP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared almost 4 days ago with my members. And you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this of the buying zone and the sell target zone. And below this level was the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Dogelon Mars. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it was moving inside this broadening rising wedge pattern since after the month of August 2024, since after 5th of August 2024. You can see that we had a bounce here, stable rejections here, then we had another bounce here, another bounce here, then we got another rejection, bounce, and this was almost another rejection, bounce, and finally we have broken out the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern. And you can see that it was forming higher lows and higher highs as well. And now the price line has retested this quite long-term uptrend line support because previously it was breaking as a very strong and long-term support since after the month of June 2021. Therefore, again, it can work as a very strong and long-term support. You can see that we had several bounces and touch points here. Then we had several bounces and touch points here. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance. And now we have broken it out. And therefore, again, it can work as a strong support. Now we need to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 2500 and start from 2205 and goes to 2500. That has been previously breaking as a very strong support zone for several weeks or months here. After the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance zone here and support zone here. And now again, for the past several weeks or months, it is breaking at a very strong resistance zone. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel, you can see that we have already broken out this channel as well. And the target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel at 4200, 0.0000 and 00. 6 times 0, $4200. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is at 0000 and 0, 5 times 0 to $2276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.